Hello everyone, I'm Aika and welcome to my channel. So today I have a bunch of random things to share with you. I bought a couple of things from Zara Home, some skincare products as well as makeup products, and I get a lot of questions from you guys asking about my skincare, my makeup products, which ones I'm using, and since I had to buy all of the essentials, I thought I would just film it and share everything with you. So let's start with the first item. I think I'll start with Zara pieces. So this is the first one. Please don't mind the ugly hanger. I picked up this white t-shirt with puffy sleeves. I love puffy sleeves trend because I don't really like when sleeves are very fitted. I am a little bit shy of my arms and I try to hide them, but with puffy sleeves it just makes a lot of difference, and I love puffy sleeves. I love the way they look on you. They look so dressy, so classy, so pretty. And this is just a plain white t-shirt, and with puffy sleeves it just looks completely different. It looks like you've tried really hard, and I actually wore this t-shirt on my Chanel unboxing. So if you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link it in the description box as well as in the cards up here. You can watch it as well, but it is really beautiful. It is pretty much true to size, so I have mine in size medium. It was also pretty affordable. It was only $25.90. This t-shirt also comes in a long sleeve version, so you can choose if you want something for summer or something more fall appropriate. Anyway, this is a beautiful piece. I'm so happy I saw this. I was a little bit disappointed with Zara's current collection. There wasn't a lot of things that I liked, but this was definitely one of them, and I'm so happy that I picked it up. So here's the next piece I picked up from Zara, and you've probably seen it in my shopping vlog if you watched it. If not, again, card up here and there'll be a link in the description box. But it's a beautiful cardigan. It reminds me of the Chanel tweed a little bit. I really love the colors, this creamy color with the dusty pink. It looks so beautiful and so girly. I also really love this cute little buttons with the crystals inside. I got mine in size medium because it was the last one, but if you have a chance to buy it from your local Zara boutique, then definitely go a size down because it is slightly oversized and it will look a little bit baggy if you get your real size. Nonetheless, I really love this piece. I think it is gorgeous. I actually wore it yesterday when we went to town and it looked so beautiful. It was also on sale. I bought it for 26 francs, the same price as the t-shirt, but the original retail price was about 50 francs, so I think I saved quite a bit of money, and it's just a beautiful piece. I always wanted a cardigan in this style, especially with the cute little buttons. I think this kind of cardigans are so on trend right now, so yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Now let's move on to the skincare products, and the first one is from Rituals. I really love this cream. It's a night cream. I think it's called Ritual of Namaste Glow Night Cream. It is really good. I love that it's pretty thick on your skin, and for the nighttime it's just amazing. I mean, during the day I prefer using something lighter because I tend to apply makeup, but during the night I definitely prefer something thicker. So I only bought the refill because I already have the original container, and I'm gonna show you the original package. So this is what it looks like. I really love this box. How do you even call it? Container? Box? I don't know. Anyway, I really love it because the cap is in rose gold and then the bottom part is in this marble looking material. So right now it is completely empty, so I'm gonna have to put the refill inside, but I'm gonna do it later. I need some tools to get the old refill out of this box because it is pretty hard to do it with your fingers. So there you go. This is the first product. I highly recommend this Ritual of Namaste cream, night cream especially. It's really good if you're into something thicker for the nighttime. The next skincare product I got is from Chanel. The first time I saw it was on Valeria Lipovetsky's channel. She raved about this cream and I was so eager to try it out. I tried it and I fell in love. It's the perfect day cream in my opinion, and it's this Hydra Beauty Camellia Water cream. You can definitely apply it during the night as well, but I prefer using it in the morning only because it is very light and it's good when you're applying makeup. This way your makeup doesn't become cakey, or yeah, it just doesn't look gross. It hydrates your skin really well. This is what it looks like. I would highly recommend this product. It is really nice and the smell is honestly the best. Yes, it smells so nice. So it is a very light cream. It smells great and it hydrates your skin pretty well too. And then I think I got, yeah, I received a couple of samples. So I got the Hydra Beauty Micro Gel for eyes and then micro cream. The micro cream I actually have and it's also a really good one. Then I got the makeup remover for the eyes, and what is this? And this is just some cleansing oil, which is pretty nice too. I'm gonna try them out and see if they're any good, and I'll let you know on my Instagram probably. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, feel free to check it out. I post there daily, my daily outfits, my bags, shoes, everything is in there. Now let's move on to some makeup products, and I popped by Sephora. They had 30% off everything, and yes, I mean, it's really nice when you can buy makeup on a discount because it is quite pricey. So I'll start with a couple of sheet masks that we bought. So I have this one for my feet. Then we also got the heating mask. My husband picked it up and he really wants to try it, but I'm just a little bit scared because I don't know, it's just weird, a heating mask. It says that it's the comforting sauna effect. Okay, then we got the charcoal mask, and then I also got one from Glam Glow, the eye boost mask. I always wanted to try the Glam Glow, so I've decided to start with this one, and we'll see if it's good. Next, as I said, I had to get some essential makeup products that I use on a daily basis, and I'm talking about the mascara and the eyeliner. I usually use the Fenty Beauty one, but they were out of stock, so I've decided to try this one by Too Faced. I love Too Faced mascaras, so I'm pretty sure this eyeliner is amazing. It's in color Deepest Black, and this is what it looks like. I really love this type of applicators because they're pretty thin and they're so easy to use on your eyes, and they last pretty long time. It says it's a 24-hour non-fading long wear. Who needs an eyeliner for 24 hours, but whatever, it's nice. And then I've decided to try out a new mascara. My previous mascara was actually from Benefit and it's called the Bang, I think, and this time I wanted to go back to Too Faced because I used to love their mascaras in the past, and this time I went for a Damn Girl. It is also a 24-hour long lasting mascara, and I loved this little tube. The packaging is so beautiful. It is pretty asymmetrical, but it is really nice. What surprised me is how thick and fat this applicator is. I just feel like my eyelashes aren't even that long for such a huge applicator, but I'm gonna give it a go and I'll see. But I'm very excited to try these two new products out because right now I am completely out of both. And the last piece that I got from Sephora is by Tarte. I don't have anything by Tarte, and I've heard so many good things about this makeup company. So I got the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. When I saw it, I just fell in love. It is so beautiful. I remember I had a conversation with my mom recently and she asked if I had any blue eyeshadows, and I questioned myself. I wasn't sure, and apparently I didn't have any blue eyeshadows, although blue is my favorite color. And then when I saw this palette, I was like, okay, I don't have any blue eyeshadows. I just love the packaging. I really want to try out Tarte Beauty, so why not give it a shot? And oh my god, look at how pretty it is. It's like the undersea scenery. It has a little turtle, some corals, and some liquid inside, some blue liquid. It's just so much fun, but at the same time it is pretty heavy. And when we open it, oh my god, these colors are so beautiful. Aren't they? They're so pretty, and there are so many beautiful blue shades and some neutrals as well. When I saw the colors, I just knew I wanted this palette because they're so beautiful. They have the perfect nude, like dusty pink colors, a lot of glittery colors, which I love so much, and then 3 shades of blue. My favorite electric blue color, this turquoise color, is so nice. It's like the color of my new handbag. So the next 3 makeup products I actually ordered online, and 2 of the 3 were such a big fail. I'm gonna share them with you anyway because they aren't bad products. I just didn't pick the right colors, I think. So the first one is again by Tarte. I really wanted to try this Shape Tarte matte foundation because everybody raves about it. It's the matte one in color medium golden, and I think I definitely needed a lighter shade because this one is quite dark. I know you can't really see it, but take a look at this. Compare it to the color of my skin. I mean, it is a lot darker than my skin tone, so I was very disappointed. On the picture it looked a lot lighter, but I guess I needed to make some more research before ordering it. So what I'm thinking of doing is every summer I get really tan, and then my foundation just becomes super light for my skin tone, and I was thinking since this one is already dark, I'll just keep it and use it during summer. That might actually work. So I'm excited to get tan right now because I want to try it so badly. I actually applied it on my skin and I looked like an orange because it was this dark. The next mist that I bought was from MAC, and I was actually really excited about this one. It's called MAC Versicolor Stain. So it's not a lipstick, it's a stain, and it's in color Resilient Rouge. And I wanted to get something in red, and it looks quite red, but when I applied it on my lips, it looked like this very dark pink color, like the raspberry color. So yeah, and it didn't really look nice on my lips because since it's a stain and my lips are pretty damaged all the time because they're too dry, it just doesn't look even on my lips. Some parts are darker than others. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I really don't, but it's such a shame because I really wanted to add like a red lipstick to my collection since I don't have any red lipsticks. So I'm thinking of giving this to my mom. We'll see, maybe she'll like it, maybe she'll be able to use it, but it's such a shame. I wouldn't recommend shopping for any new makeup products through internet if you don't know your color, if you don't know what the color looks like in real life, not on the pictures, because pictures usually show a slightly different shade of that color. And the last piece that I bought is from Burberry. I also wanted to try some Burberry makeup products, and I've decided to start with this lip gloss. It's in color Apricot Pink number 69. Weird name, but anyway, this is what it looks like. I really love the packaging, but also the color. It was such a beautiful pinkish color, but on the lips it doesn't look pink at all. It looks like a transparent, very shiny lip gloss, which I really needed. I actually wore it on the Chanel unboxing video, so if you want to see how it looks on, check that video out. So if you need some shiny lip gloss, I think this is the one you should go for. And as you saw from my thumbnail, I also picked up something from Hermes. As you may know, they recently launched their new makeup products, and I just had to try it. This lipstick was ridiculously expensive, but I was so curious to try it out because I heard really good feedback from people. They seem to like it really much. They like the texture and everything, so you know, I had to try it. So it comes in this cute little orange box. It is so tiny and adorable, and then you slide it open and it comes in the cutest dust bag in the world. It's like a mini dust bag for your lipstick. I mean, I've never seen anything bougier than this. Here is the actual lipstick. I mean, the packaging is so luxurious. It is quite heavy. It has a beautiful H letter stamp over here in gold, and this closure is magnetic, so you don't have to press it. It just closes by itself. This is so cool. I've never seen anything like that. So I picked up mine in color 40 Rose Lipstick, and it's the satin lipstick, so it's not matte lipstick. I don't really like matte lipsticks, so I wanted to get a regular one, and this is what it looks like. I haven't tried it yet, but I really want to try it out and see what the color is in real life. I couldn't try it in store because of COVID, but this is what it looks like on my skin. It's this very beautiful rose color. It is so nice. So let me just go remove the lipstick I'm wearing right now and apply this one so I can show you how the color looks on me. So this is what it looks like on. I think it is such a beautiful color. It is so cute. I really love it. I really wanted to get something brighter for summer because I already have a lot of nude lipsticks and I'm a little bit sick of them. I started this nude lipstick obsession about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and by now I'm really sick of those very similar to each other colors. So I wanted to add something bright for summer, and I think this is a perfect addition to my lipstick collection. Something new, something bright, something fresh. I also really like the texture of the lipstick. It was very creamy and buttery. It feels really nice. I usually have to apply a little bit of the lip balm before applying any lipstick on because my lips are really dry, as I mentioned before. But in this case, I didn't apply any lip balm and my lips feel quite hydrated, and I think that's how you're supposed to feel when you're using such an expensive lipstick. If you can afford one, I would highly recommend them because they're super cool, but they're also pretty cool to just try out something new and different, something super extra luxurious. It's not like I'm gonna start buying only Hermes lipsticks from now on, but I don't mind having one as something super special. I'm actually pretty happy with the color. I was a little bit scared of buying it like blindfolded without even trying it on my skin, but it turned out to be pretty good. So yeah, I'm so happy. And the last piece I wanted to share with you is from Zara Home. Here is the box. It's wrapped really nicely. I got my knife. Yay! Here it is. I got myself this mirror jewelry box. I never had a proper jewelry box in my entire life, and I really needed one because all of my jewelry right now are just in random places. I have a couple in this room, a couple in another room, a couple in the safe, and they're just all over the apartment and I hated it. I wanted to get a jewelry box where I could keep all of my jewelry in one place, and I think because I never had a jewelry box, I don't really change my jewelry that often. I'm just too lazy to go and look for those earrings or that necklace, and now I just hope I'll start changing them more frequently. Anyway, this is it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!